In order to be able to provide accurate information, the software application used must contain the appropriate data. There is a range of automotive database software applications on the market. The layout may vary, but they all contain similar information, though some are more detailed than others. Alternatively, if you work at a dealership or your shop subscribes to a dealer network information system, you may use that process. First, you should understand how to operate the computer. In the PC world, starting up is often known as booting the computer, which means turn the computer on and log in if you are required to. This step will depend on the type of PC you are using and whether it is standalone, on a local network, or needs to be connected to the internet to operate the software. The way that you do this depends on your work situation, so it's a good idea to get a fellow worker to show you how to log on in your particular workplace environment. Read the information on the software package. If you're on the internet, read the information about the software application or website. Most of the applications have help sections, which provide details of how to access the various components within the software itself. The details on the package will also tell you how to install or access the data. Once you have become familiar with the operating functions of the software, you are ready to start accessing data. You have a vehicle in for service, and you found a problem with the brake pads. You want to obtain any updated service information that can solve the problem. Start by ensuring that the software package you are going to use is correctly loaded onto the PC. Use the computer to see if there is a technical bulletin posted for this problem. To enable the computer to search for the correct data, you may have to input vehicle information, such as the VIN number or at least the make, model, and year of manufacture. The application will usually ask you to confirm your input data. Here we have selected a 1985 Chevrolet Corvette. If correct, we can now select more specific information. Now you can perform a search on the specific section of the vehicle using a keyword. The program will normally then provide a list of results from which you can select a particular item. If the software has the capability, you may want to see if there is a manufacturer's recall notice on the vehicle or any of its components. Finally, specific data for this item is displayed. In this case, it tells us that there has been a part modification on the brake pads and that replacements are available with the part number provided. Once you have located the data you need, you can usually print it out. This is very useful to keep on a clipboard for reference when working on the vehicle.